have something to tell you and I don't want you to judge me. I'ma like you.
You know what? I want to go. I'm on it.
Dekiboo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you're for leaving, so Dekiboo can see it and read it. New video I got upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dekiboo, and as you can tell by the title, I'm coming with a banger. Today I'm gonna tell a few friends that I am gay and see how they react. People just like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to the end of this video. Turn on your post notification bell, tell a friend for come on my channel, and remember to follow me at DEKIBOO_87_ on Instagram and TikTok. She's walking, coming, and I decided to prank her that I'm gay, so I'm gonna do it to see her reaction. Ah, watch out! I'm there, I never get her. Anyways, I have something to tell you and I don't want you to judge me. I'm gay. That's true. Ah, yeah. I'm not judge you. No. I'm going to judge you for that. I don't know. I'm just pranking you. Why? I ain't gay. No. I put me up with you to see what you're saying. I don't know about sexual orientation. Yeah. But no, I'm not. Maybe gay. I'm biased. Yeah. But I'm more open to women being gay than men. And because of the that is nasty. So, I have something to tell you. I don't want you to be judgmental. I'm gay. I like girls. I don't know, because I've been with girls. Like, I'm with a girl. Yeah. That's true, that's true, yeah. Yeah. I'ma like you.
You know what?
You know something like that? Why?
Probably if you didn't know then, probably if you didn't know you could have picked up long then.
Lord help.
I'll tell you why.
Someone this way. I was pranking you, but I can't believe you say it because me like you.
Me easy. Me do
She like me.
I didn't say that.
She like me, God. We should have furlong it to see. Jesus.
No, me don't like
She's
ladies.
married. She's married.
I don't like ladies.
Yes, but you think I do.
What do you want me to do? I'm not gonna judge you.
Well,
Okay, I'm satisfied. Here, come around. I have something to say. I'm not going anywhere. But I can't tell you how I'm going.
tell me I go somewhere? No, I'm not away. I just want to say something. You think you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
She did have a boyfriend this year.
No, she haven't. Can I go on mine?
Yeah.
I just want to let y'all know. And then you have a friend.
What? No. Actually, you are. Yeah, no. Yeah, but it's not true. I don't think. You're crazy.
What's your name?
I don't want to tell you. Stimson. You're mad?
Is nobody from the office?
Stimson? It's not what I don't want to think in the office.
So hold on. So you did both male and female? Or
No,
you
only
just
female.
you just realized that you're
Okay. Her name is... I don't feel like to tell you. Okay. That's too much information for Uno, but just know that.
A young woman have big money.
She have
Money, multiply.
eh?
Money, multiply.
Eh?
Money, multiply.
Eh?
Yeah.
She have money, she drive.
Money.
If she have money, if she didn't have money, what did they have from?
They are not working man.
No, it's from a long time. You know? You know? That. Okay, tell us about it. And I must tell you guys something else. No, I'm attracted to you.
I want you.
What you mean? You're like dark skin, big bum bum, yeah. And she good like you, yeah. So I want to leave. With my two brown skin. My breast skin. Oh, sorry. It is flattered. No, with the flattered.
Flattered, darling? No, darling. That's not going to give her something next.
No, yeah, I don't know it. It's not so tired. Feel away. Feel let down. Really?
I told me they were there. So they're right now. Yeah, whisper in her ears. That's what she said.
Actually.
I said, baby, that they keep showing
Dekiboo show. We finally catch you. It is Dekiboo show. Rock with me now. Hold on. Suzy, merci. Yo pienso comme la vidéo.
Rock with me now.
Oshme Smith, you're attractive, yes, but I'm straight. I did it to French and I did it to Miss Spears.
Yes, and that's why it was so funny for me because I get to watch yours.
There you see, I pranked my 3 co-workers. So make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to this video. Tell a friend to come over my channel, okay?